Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming why Gcash put your account on hold. Open the app, read the notification, and note the exact reason code. This determines required docs. Once done, gather a clear photo of your valid ID, a recent selfie, and any supplementary files they requested. Make sure your phone number and email on file match your ID details because mismatched info creates delays. If a family member opened the account, verify authorization documents before proceeding to submission. You now upload the verification materials through the Gcash app, navigate to Help, then My Account, then Verification. Follow the instructions, crop exactly, avoid glare, and use a plain background so their system and agents can read details. This reduces back and forth. If your name differs due to marriage or a typo, include a brief explanation and supporting documents. Once uploaded, record the ticket number or screenshot confirmation. It helps when you need to follow up and speeds resolution. You finish by actively following up until the hold is lifted. Check the app and your email every 24 to 48 hours for status changes because some reviews complete faster after clarifications. If there's no update, contact Gcash support with your ticket ID via the in-app chat or hotline. Provide concise details and reference the uploaded files. If verification is denied, address the stated reason, correct the documents, and resubmit, or ask for escalation to a supervisor for manual review.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.